you part of the YouTube channel too?
I am reluctantly.
You what?
I am reluctantly, yeah.
She's been.
I want to be on YouTube.
Well, you might be. You might be. Yeah.
That's so mean.
Well, you know.
You don't need to put us on YouTube.
Yeah, well, you got a camera right there. You're recording me. The other guy. Well, I understand. I mean,
It's his job. It's his job too.
yeah.
It protects me.
I feel the same way.
Because people say, hey, you did this. And I'm like, I didn't do that.
Right. Well, not all police officers are as cool as that.
Say hi to
So.
him.
I don't want to be on YouTube. Paul, don't put me on YouTube.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today's project is something here. Damn it, I'm running out of glue. If it works, I might do the outside. I don't know, we'll see. There's the drawer in. I put some slides under so it comes out. Put my stuff in there, pots, pans, whatever. And then it slides in. What to do with one hand, so and that closes. Got this new toy delivered, a Boss Cam. It's a reverse cam, wireless, because this beast, I cannot see out the back driving this thing.